Hello, hello. Playing Pips. In order to learn VTubing, I need something to talk over, and I want to rewatch the instruction or the recordings, not just watching me talk or fail to talk and think. The games make it a little bit more fun. If you like what you see and would like to play yourself, link in the description. The hard setting today is going to have 2 zeros in the pink here, 0 here, 5 zeros total accounted for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we have to play with. That could be useful. Let's see. 2s, 3s, 2, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, so 5. Yeah, okay. A quadruple equal means that we do know the stagger. Because the dominoes don't repeat, we're going to have either 3s or 4s, say. In here, we can't put it there because that would require another 3, 3. It's going to be, placement-wise, here. The only other true duplicate that we have available is the 2s and the 4s. No 5s, no 6s, and no 0s or 1s. Yeah, so we have 3 choices for what to put in there. If we know the stagger, though, that means that this 0 goes up into a 6, say. 6 total. 1, 2, 3, 5, or 6. I'm guessing, yeah, we can't do an 06. We could do an 05. No, we can't do an 05. Okay, so normally we could do an 05. In order to sum to 6, we would need a domino that sums to 1 remaining, and we could play this. However, we already counted out that we need 2 more zeros over here and 2 more zeros over here. We wouldn't have enough blank half dominoes available if we spent the 0-1 in there. So it can't be the 0-5 or the 0-6 for very similar reasons. 0-3 would require a domino that sums to 3. That works, right? Same thing, 0-2 could live there because we do have a domino that sums to 4. 0-1. We don't have a domino that sums to 5. So this placement is either the 0-2 or 0-3, none of the other options. Might be of some use. We have dominoes that sum to 6. We have a 4-2. No 3-3. No, we do have a 3-3. Yeah, it's just sitting over here being ill-placed. I shouldn't leave dominoes sitting around my map until I know. 3-3 or 4-2 could work. There is no 1-5. There is a 0-6, but we, again, can't spend it outside of the marked zeros. So there's only 2 choices for what lives in there, but we can't place either of them yet. This is going to extend over here. This is going to extend over here. The 0-5 and 0-6 can't work in here. This needs to sum to 5 or fewer in the light blue. So if we did a 0-5 here, we would require a 0, which again we don't have enough. 0-6 obviously breaks the gray less than 6 already. 0-5 and 0-6 could extend down from this pink. 0-6 can't go into either of the ones that have to sum to 6. Yeah, we don't have enough zeros. So 0-6 we can actually place. And then 0-5, we can at least say touches the green. Whether it goes up or down, not sure yet. Could it go up even? Like, we would need a 1. We can't spend the 0-1 because the 0 is occupied. 1, 2 means 3 or less over here. And yeah, we have a 0-3 or 0-2 or 0-1 all available. I wonder. 0, 3 doesn't actually work here because if we do a 3 to round out the 6, we don't have enough 3s to complete the equals. This is hypothetical, trying to see if we can place the 0, 5 or not. Yeah, let's tackle this a different direction. 2s, 3s, or 4s for our duplicate here. Can we exclude any of them by total count or what they border? For example, we have 4 2s, 5 2s. Yeah. So we don't need this 0, 2, which is unfortunate. It would have been nice to eliminate it because the 0 has to be further away from the purple than we can put it. But if we were going to do the purple this way, it would be a 2, 1, and then 2, 4 in some orientation. Yeah, it would have to be that, because if we did the 2, 1, the only other one is a 1, 0, can't be there. 2, 4, however, could go not a 4, 6, but a 4, 2, 0, 2, that could work, right? Let's carry this along and see if it'll continue to work for us, and if not, then we can eliminate 2s from the purple. That's our only 6 domino now that we've spent the 2, 4. Now that the 0, 2 is gone, we have the 0, 3 is the only thing that fits into the 6, and we would need the 1, 2 to complete the 6. We don't have it. So this can't be 2s, is what I'm getting out of this. This whole test means that the purples in the bottom left are either going to be 3s or 4s. Let's see if either of those can be eliminated. Do we have enough 4s? We need a 4, 6, and a 4, 2 as our only other... potentially. Let's see. And do we have enough 3s? No. Straight no. We can't even use this 3, and there's not 3 or 4 3s total. That's great, actually. That means that we know for certain the 4, 4 is the only purple, because it's one of our 3 true doubles, and we tested out the other 2. It's going to be a 4, 6 or a 4, 2 to the left. If it's a 4, 6, because there's only one other 6, that would have to be a 6, 5. That would mean we know where our 1, 0 is. So we're still testing the 4, 6 there. This leaves us some choices. No. We got the 4, we got the 3 total, so 02 or 03 both still work up there. The only other 4... okay, so the 4, 2 would have to be used to do the 4s. So the 3, 3 is going to be there. Actually, we can place that either way, whether the 4, 2 is here or here. The 0 something, 0 something, remainder of 6 something. Not sure. Let's test our 2 options for here. It's either a 0, 3, in which case this is a 1, 2 with the orientation not mattering, or it's a 0, 2 and it would be placed or paired with a 2, 2. What sums to 6? Nothing remaining, right? Like 5 and 2, which is our only numbers, don't add to 6, so it can't be up there. We spend too much of the things we need. Let's say it's the 02 and the 2, 2. Orientation not existing. 5 and 1 add to 6. It's the only option that does. So 05, 1, 2, 0, 3. That'll get it done. more guesswork than is ideal, I think, but still a fun one. I do like the rings, where we have the trying to figure out the staggered orientation. I like when we're limited on a few numbers more. So we had significantly more 4s and 5s to work with than like the 3s. I don't know if this... Can you say significantly more if it's like one more? Potentially? I don't know. I can argue this point all I want. No? Oh. Cross terms don't even show up on the model right now. Hello, I am up here. Yes. And now I cross my arms. Yeah. Got opinions. It doesn't work as well if I cross my arms and then smile so broadly about it, but I'm having fun. What can you do? Thank you for joining. Say hi in the comments if you like. Bye!